Hi guys, Alex Filvet here, and this is my second video about my personal project. It is a Gears of War 5 environment scene, underground military hangar with rocket inside. And for this project I used a lot of softwares, and now I'm gonna tell you about each one. So 3D Max, right? So 3D Max I was using for modeling, blockout, UV unwrapping. Maybe that's all. Yeah. And Maya I was using for like partially for unwrapping, and as well I was checking textile density. It's for this project, but it's not a problem for me to model in Maya as well. Okay, so next let's move further. So next one, it is ZBrush. So in ZBrush I made a head of locust, and yeah, Marvelous Designer I used for generating flag. You can see some faults on this flag, so I did it in Marvelous Designer. Marmoset toolbag I was using for baking textures and fall presentation. You can find a crane in my scene, and I did some renders in Marmoset toolbag. The next one, it is Photoshop, and I was using Photoshop just to check my lighting, what I want to change, what I want to fix, or what I want to add. And I was fixing my textures in Photoshop. Yeah, something like this, and even this presentation I did it in Photoshop, right? And Substance Painter. So Substance Painter I was using for texturing. Yeah, but as well I can use it for baking textures. So the next to software, it is Adobe Premiere. So I was using Adobe Premiere to create video texture. So you can see on my video presentation that I have some animations on panels on the screens. So I did this video texture in Adobe Premiere, but as well I can do it in Adobe After Effects. But in this project I used Adobe Premiere. Okay, so UV layout I was using for UV unwrapping and packing. Speed tree I was using to generate bushes, and in my scene I have some sand, so I was looking for references, what kind of vegetation, maybe some bushes I can find on the sand, or maybe in some desert, you know. So I recreated that bush from reference in Speed Tree. And next software, it is Substance Designer, and I was using Substance Designer to create a material for concrete. I did 3 versions with cracks, dirty concrete, and clean concrete. Unreal Engine, so it's the main software where I was checking my blockout, where I was doing my lighting, where I was doing my presentation, and where I'm gonna do my optimization. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys, have a good one.